Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change hood lift supports. First, gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and your new lift supports. It is crucial to ensure the hood is securely propped open with a sturdy prop rod before you begin. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any potential debris or unexpected movements during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's remove the old supports. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently pry open the retaining clips located at each end of the old lift support. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully detach the old support from both the upper and lower connection points. If you are working by yourself, it is highly recommended to have a friend or family member hold the hood securely to prevent it from falling unexpectedly. With the old supports removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new lift support with the upper and lower mounting studs on your vehicle. Apply firm, steady pressure to each end of the new support until you hear and feel it snap securely into place. The retaining clips should automatically engage. After installation, gently open and close the hood a few times to ensure both new supports are functioning correctly and the hood moves smoothly. Finally, perform a thorough check to ensure both new lift supports are properly installed and securely attached at all connection points. For optimal performance and longevity, you might consider applying a small amount of grease to the pivot points. This helps reduce friction and ensures smooth operation for years to come. Remember to check the description below for links to the products used in this video, as well as other great deals and resources. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.